Hey everybody, today we're going to take a look at Lilidog Linux, an optimized Openbox desktop from the latest Debian release. And we have an about right here on the website. It says Lilidog uses Debian installer for easy installation. And Lilidog Linux was created to provide an intuitive and easy Debian-based distribution focused on improving users' experience through the use of dialogs and tools not normally found in the standard Debian install. We use the stable Debian repositories for all packages upgrades, making future system updates an easy experience without the issues of having to track down packages. Lilidog and related builds are under full development and can be found on Github. The goal for Lilidog will always be to provide an easy-to-use, lightweight, and stable desktop experience for all users. And we have some images right here showing what it looks like. So I already got it in the virtual machine and I installed it using the Calamares installer. So let's get over to the virtual machine and take a look at Lilidog Linux. All right, here we are on a virtual machine and we are hit by a welcome screen. And it says, "Thank you for installing Lilidog. Please feel free to join the Lilidog discussion forum for further information or if you have any issues to report." It gives you a web link right here. And for initial settings, please see the Paul icon located in the 10.2 panel. Font size, themes, wallpapers, and other options are available. If you would like to customize your system by answering some questions now, press the begin button below, type welcome in a terminal to use the customization script at a later time. Alright, so I'm just going to exit this screen, and it says the Paul right here to get to quick themes, but I don't want to do that yet. The first thing I want to do is fix the display, the resolution. So I'm gonna go ahead and open up. Looks like it's a Rofi menu. It actually has two menus. So the left click is Rofi and the right click is JG menu. But we're gonna use this to fix the screen resolution. And I'll keep this configuration, close. And now, because we just resized the screen, the wallpaper is offset. So let me go ahead and fix that before I even do anything else. I'll open up the JG menu, go to configuration and wallpapers. And this is the default wallpaper. All right, so now it's all fixed. So as we read earlier, this is the Openbox window manager, and it's based on Debian. So right here we have a conky, and the conky has some key bindings that could be useful if you like using key bindings. And we have the 10.2 panel, which is on the bottom of the display. And on the right side, we have our system tray. And on the left side, we have some pinned applications. So the first one that's pinned here is, it actually has two functions. So if I click it with the left mouse key, it takes me to Places menu and the right Recent menu. And then the pause for the quick theme settings. And then left, light dark toggle, middle, custom theme. And then have a minimize to minimize all open windows, cascade, and hot corners toggle. But first, let's take a look at our applications menu. So I'll do the right click first, which is JG menu. And this is your standard menu that you have here for JG menu. And you have a terminal, file manager, web browser. Then we have a quick grab, toggles, utilities, configuration, all programs, then a restart and exit. And if we go back to all programs, this is your standard menu layout. So we have accessories, development, graphics, internet, multimedia, office, other, settings, and system. So that's all on the JG menu. Now I'll do the standard left click button. It's going to open up the menu in the middle, which is it's using Rofi. So right here we have a couple selections. We have categories. So in categories we have all these options right here. Then we have applications, and this right here you can just scroll through. It's like an infinity scroll, being that it is a Rofi menu. So you just keep going and going. So you check out all your applications. Then you have a run option, so you can run custom commands. Then you have a workspaces, file browser, which is your folder layout, and exit options. So if you wanted to shut down the computer, or hibernate, suspend, log out, refresh Openbox. And you can see the user right here shows me Linux Hub at Linux Hub Standard. And this is your Rofi menu. So let's just keep it simple, and we'll just use the JG menu since it looks more like a standard menu. And we'll open up our terminal, which is not sure what terminal it is, but let's take a look at see if we have HTOP installed, and we do. And zooming in, we can see we're using 464 megabytes. Load average 0.06, 0.03. Now let's take a look at NeoFetch. And we can see right here, Lilidog, and the kernel we're using is 6.1.0. And we can see the window manager right here is using Openbox. All right. Now let's get back to the menu. Let's take a look at our file manager, which is Thunar. So this is your standard. Usually you'll find this on XFCE. FC Thunar 4.18.4. And it says right here, Thunar is a fast and easy to use file manager for the XFCE desktop environment. And under that we have Firefox, our web browser. So being that it is Debian based, I'm going to assume that it is the ESR. And it is Firefox browser extended support release 115.6.0 ESR. And continuing on, we have let's get to our regular applications. On the accessories, we have things like archive manager, bulk rename, cat rename, file managers, calculators, pretty much everything that a system uses. So we've already seen the file manager in the terminal. So let's take a look at the image viewer, which is just a standard image viewer. And I don't think it has an about or anything like that, but let's see. We have a preference and gpic view, the default viewer for images. So I guess that's the name of the program, gpic view. All right, back to our programs. Development, we have Genie, which is IDE text editor. So if you had some code you wanted to write or just edit some text, you can do it right here. And Genie 1.38, a fast and lightweight IDE. And then we also have graphics. Let's see, we already saw the image viewer, and it has, well, that was gpic, the one we saw. We have a different image viewer right here. So let's see what this one is. Seems to be the same thing. And under internet, we already saw Firefox, but you also have transmission. You have your network configuration and a mail reader. And under multimedia, we have MPV and SM Player. Let's see if MPV actually opens up. And it does. So this on a lot of systems, for some reason, it refuses to open, but it opened up just fine right here. And we also had another multimedia, which is SM Player. SM Player is pretty good. I've used it a few times. I like it. And on the about, let's see, SM Player version 22.7.0. Alright, so right here you can just open up from, you can just navigate to your file manager, get to your favorites. You can even open up directories, URLs, disks, even has a TV option and radio. So quite a few options for the SM Player. And getting back, we have Office. So LibreOffice, Start Center. Let's see what this opens up. So yeah, it just opens up your LibreOffice base. Now all of these that are not highlighted, that means that they're not installed. So the only one that's actually installed is Writer. And about LibreOffice 7.4.7.2. And we go to other, we have just like some custom settings right here. So auto login, auto themes, Conky chooser, font size changer, grub background, hot corners toggle, JG menu icon options, Lilidog installers, Lilidog theme options. You have quite a few things. Row feed, tint to, just like all your system settings are in here. So I guess we could look at doing some theme settings here. Let's see, what can we open up for themes? Let's go into settings and go to appearance. And right here, it's pretty standard. Let me open up Thunar. All right, so right now, let's say if I wanted to switch to Adobe, you can see it automatically switches. Adwaita, Adwaita Dark, Enolis, Arcadia, Broadwater, Cananalis, and we have quite a few themes on here, so it has a whole lot of them. So you can just have days of fun right here, changing the themes if you wanted to. So I'll just leave it right there. You can also change the icons here, which has a forever load of icons. Using the arrow keys and the return or enter, you can change all your icons here on the fly. Alright, I'll just leave it right there. So you also have some fonts and settings. And I believe you can also change the Openbox themes, but that's just getting into the system. But right here we have some other themes. So light, dark toggle, so I can toggle themes. And then we have a quick theme setting. So let's check this out real quick. So auto themes. So I guess this changes pretty much everything, like on the fly. It'll change probably wallpapers and window managers and the buttons and everything. So let's say I choose slate, top, oceanic, Nordic. Yeah, it pretty much changes everything all the way around. So even the window borders, pretty good. Yeah, so this is why they have all those themes installed. All right, so you get it. I'll just leave it right there, be done with it. And now let's get to the wallpapers. So I believe the wallpapers were in the configuration. So get in here, I'll put this in the corner so we can see it better. And bam, simple one click. Wallpapers look nice. Not bad at all. Let's see, which one should I stick with? I like this one right here, so I'll just stay right there. And that's your wallpapers. And like I said, you know, you have some key bindings right here. If you want to play with the key bindings, let's say like Alt F1 opens up the menu, and then Alt F2 opens up the Rofi menu. So if you want to get start playing with your key bindings, if you want to get used to them, it's a quick script right here that gives you all the info you need, and you can set it all up. And I believe you can also add a custom key bindings if you open up your rc.xml file, which is going to be in .configs, Openbox, and you should find your rx.xml. Alright, well, it's a simple lightweight system. It's a Openbox built on Debian, so everything works great, and it looks pretty, and it is a lightweight system, so can't go wrong here. Alright, so if you guys want to take a look at Lilidog Linux, I'll go ahead and leave the homepage and download links in the video description. That way you can go ahead and enjoy it yourself. Alright, so that's going to do it for me. So if you can, please like the video, and if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. Alright, you guys, and I'm out.